Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday, November 21st. It's a new vlog week. We are heading into Unit 8 of Level 5. According to my little progress chart over there, I am 63% done Level 5. We've got exactly a month to go before the Christmas holidays and then the start of our final semester at Icon Collective. Well, hopefully not actually. I am hoping that we get into the advanced program, the new one that they have for online graduates and previous graduates prior to 2021, I think. I'm super excited to take a look at the classes we have for this week. Last week, as you know, was all about diving into the meaning of lyrics. So we had to analyze a song and then write the deeper meaning behind the song, at least as far as our perspective goes. Obviously, this is leading us towards writing our own lyrics, and I could not be more stoked about that. I think one of the things that attracted me to trance in the first place was my ability to write melodies, and the feedback that I have been getting on the lyrical melodies that I have been writing has been really, really good. So yeah, depending on how long it takes to edit the vlog, get our work done, we may work on a couple of the remixes we got going on right now, but other than that, probably going to be a nice, easy day. Welcome back to Sunday Fun Day. Alright, as I said, we are heading into Unit 8 of Level 5. Wait, did I say Unit 9? I might have. I don't know. I am stoked. Let's get right into it. Alright, Unit 8. Elements of Brand, Lyric Writing 2, Rhythmic Development. Starting off with Music Business. Elements of a brand. The elements you need to start your brand, historical meanings of different shapes and symbols, creating a storyboard for your brand. Moving forward, songwriting, lyric writing 2, poetry structures and organized thinking. In this lesson, you will further explore lyric writing, poetic structures, common grammatical terms used in poetry, how to take ideas, phrases, and words and turn them into poems, developing your own writing style. Pushing on, keyboard techniques, rhythmic development. In this lesson, you'll explore techniques of rhythmic development that you can use in your music. The concept of rhythmic styles, syncopation, straight/swing, double time/half time, case study of reggae's rhythmic style. And then, as usual, we end Unit 8 with a keys playing assignment. All right. Unit 8 is looking good. I'm absolutely loving the music business branding stuff. Like, obviously, I got a pretty good grasp on branding, but what this is making me do is like solidify my story as an artist, solidify how I should be portraying myself. And it's honestly just giving me confidence in the sense that having a good brand and having a good handle on myself as an artist, my brand, my overall, just the bigger picture stuff to do with being an artist, that's how you're going to attract your fan base. Lots and lots of songwriting classes. I think we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 8 or 9 different videos all about poetic writing. I absolutely love the songwriting stuff. I'm not even kidding you. It's actually just giving me the confidence to feel like I could actually sing on my tracks. Obviously, I'd need some training, but it's not really only about thinking I could possibly sing on my own tracks. It really is about understanding the songwriting process, being more involved in my vision as an artist. That's what this is enabling me to do. I can write lyrical melodies, I can write parts of lyrics to my own tracks and ideas. How awesome would it be that I would be credited on my own tracks as a writer? And that being said, that means I'm taking even more of a piece of a pie from my own tracks because I'd have writing credits on my tracks as well. I actually just thought of that right now. That's actually pretty cool. Anyways, super looking forward to Unit 8, and that'll be it for Sunday Fun Day today. Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, November 22nd. We just got to the studio, downloaded a whole bunch of cool effects from Audio Tent, one of my favorite sample and preset pack companies, and we're just jumping in. We got a bunch of loops going. We're using all sorts of effects. Take a look. I'm just messing around right now. Some great Black Friday deals that I got early. Today is going to be all about the lessons. We're getting started on those music business lessons. There's quite a few lessons to go through, and I'm having fun messing around here, so I don't know how much we'll get done today, but we'll try to polish off at least the music business classes. Yeah, I don't know. I'm having a lot of fun. I think I might just get right back to it for the rest of the morning. Good afternoon, and welcome back to Mental Health Monday. Now, we're staying on the motivational vibe for this quarter. Today, I wanted to talk about self-judgment. I wanted to teach you a tool to stop judging yourself and also to stop judging other people. I don't know about you or if it's my experiences growing up, but a lot of the times I go straight to the negative. I go straight to negative self-talk and negative talk about other people. A lot of the times in situations that are really out of my control. And if a situation's out of my control, you would think that you would have a better time accepting the situation for what it is if you have the knowledge that, well, you had no power over that situation. This is how it unfolded. And so I have briefly talked about this before, but I think I can kind of hone in on exactly how to do this. And that is thought stopping. A lot of the thoughts that fly through my head go unchecked. And the way that I'm talking to myself consciously is a reflection of my unconscious, so how I truly feel about myself deep down. That's where a lot of those hidden insecurities exist. And so, in order to make myself feel better, in order to give myself a little ego boost, I go to this judgmental place. And so, for me, it's a lot easier to recognize when I'm judging other people. When I'm judging myself or putting myself down, it's usually because I'm already frustrated and it's just kind of a spiral. And so the first step in this, and this is kind of the most difficult one, is that we need to become aware of our thoughts. We need to be grounded in the present. We need to be aware of what we're doing at any given moment. Here's an example everyone can relate with. Traffic. Somebody cuts you off, somebody doesn't let you in. I'm not the kind of person who will lose it externally. I'm more like internally, I'm calling that guy an idiot. And so in this awareness, these are the steps. Okay, we become aware of our thinking. We tell ourselves, take a minute, take a deep breath. We need to say, whoa, 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 stop, 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 stop. This is not helping me to be thinking about myself like this, to be putting myself down, to be putting someone else down. The energy, the vibrations, if you believe in that kind of thing, is just not a good vibe. It's like when I used to let one small thing ruin my entire day. You know, buddy cuts me off in traffic, that's it. I am pissed off for the whole day. And anyone who comes in my path, I'm telling them the story of the guy that cut me off this morning. Like, how does that serve me? We stop the thought. We can literally picture a stop sign. We can tell ourselves, stop, 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 until that thought literally ceases to exist in our brain, and we immediately replace that thought with something we're grateful for, or we give ourselves a compliment right away. We go, nope, that's not true. You are good at this. Do not put yourself down. It's funny when you become aware of the voice inside your head, and now you're counteracting that voice with another voice that's lifting you up and trying to tell that part of yourself that this isn't how we want to perceive ourselves anymore. You only got so much space up here, you know, the mental cup can only take so much before it poureth over, so to speak. So yeah, I hope that helps you. You know, these Mental Health Mondays, literally whatever is happening for me is what I share with you. Sometimes it's probably a little bit jumbled, but I just go with the heart, go with how I've been feeling lately, and I share some of my experience, strength, and hope with you in order to help somebody else out there that might be going through the same thing. All right, that is it for Mental Health Monday today. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, November 23rd. We just got in from yoga, feeling kind of tired, kind of sore. I don't know. For whatever reason, I was just feeling a bit sluggish this morning, but yoga made that all better. Getting up, getting moving, getting active, feeling pretty good. We are jumping straight into the classes this morning. I only have today basically to get all my homework in because it is American Thanksgiving this weekend and Icon's taking Thursday, Friday off, which I didn't see until yesterday sometime. But that just means we got to get things going. We gotta get the lessons done, get the assignments going, and hand it in. Finished off the music business classes yesterday. We have the assignment to do for that. After this, we got some music theory stuff. So we got our work cut out for us over the next couple days, but I think we'll be able to get it done. Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, November 24th. We just got into studio and Icon Collective is taking off Thursday and Friday for American Thanksgiving. So that means today is going to be all about getting all the projects done, trying to get them handed in before noon to try to get them marked. Some of the classes only get marked on specific days, and it's all sorts of craziness going on. But nonetheless, we're going to try to get all of the assignments done. Since the cutoff time is noon, that means I'm going to be done this whole unit. I've been working really hard to get everything done, and that means we're going to be able to work on music for all of the afternoon. I'm super psyched about that. I hope your week is going well. I'm psyched to get into all the homework. Let's get going. Welcome back to the Wednesday midweek check-in. As I said, it's a bit of a different week this week because of the holiday in America. I've already finished all the work for the week, trying to get it in to get marked before we move on to the next unit. First of all, though, how are we feeling this week? I'm actually feeling pretty content, a lot of gratitude this week. I'm just happy with where I'm at and how things are going. Moving on to the Icon coursework, big weeks for music business as well as songwriting classes. Music business classes are continuing to talk about branding, so we're talking from a logo, symbol, font type thing here. Basically what they did is they broke down a whole bunch of different brands and artist names, and they broke down what it looks like and what it's supposed to represent to the audience. So it's a bit of a deeper look into symbology, why would someone choose this font over this font, and just what the overall vibe and message that those artists were trying to get across. The biggest thing is, does it represent your brand values? There's really no need to complicate the process at all. Moving on to songwriting, we're learning about writing poems. Writing poems is kind of the first step towards writing lyrics. Once again, Icon is breaking things down into this very easy to understand foundation, and then they are building us up from that foundation. Songwriting, music business, understanding the deeper meaning behind all this stuff allows us to have awareness of it and then in turn make better creative decisions. We also had a keys theory, keyboard techniques class this week, and that one was all about rhythmic chord progressions. It's basically enabling us to understand how different elements work together. Your chords, your bass, your lead melodies. Pretty straightforward, like I said, but really important to continue to practice and continue to understand. All right, what do we have for homework? Music business. We had to do a vision board that talks about what our core values are. Pretty cool assignment, actually. Never had done anything like that before. Just kind of gave me a deeper look into exactly what I'm trying to put out into the world. Songwriting class, you may have already guessed it. Yeah, we had to write a poem and hand that in. I did a little Christmas poem. Might share it, might not. I actually think it's a really cool song idea. And then pretty obvious, keyboard techniques class. Keys playing assignment, already done 100%. And then we had to do a rhythmic chord progression. Pretty good week, already done everything. Did a little too fast. I like to take my time with this stuff so the information can really sink in. But we gotta do what we gotta do. And that'll be it for the Wednesday midweek check-in today.